Hello everyone. In this video we will be solving your worksheets from last Wednesday and Thursday. We will begin immediately with Wednesday's worksheet. So here we see some additions and subtractions, and we have to basically circle true, T for true or F for false, depending on if they're true or false. So let's begin with A. A says that 6 plus 6 makes 14. Is that correct? Well, no, because if we remember, 6 plus 6 makes 12. So this one's false. Next up, B says 10 minus 10 makes 0. And this is true because, as we said last week, when I subtract a number from itself, I always get 0. So if I have 10 pencils and someone takes away 10 pencils from me, what am I going to have left? 0, none. Next up, we have 20 minus 2. So here, since we're taking 2 away from 20, that means we need to count 2 back from 20. So that would be 19, 18, not 17, like it is here. So this is false. Here it says 25 plus 5 makes 31. Let's see, 25 plus 5. So I'm going to make 5 fingers, and then I'm going to count 5 forward from 25. So 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Not 31. So this is false. Next up, we have 30 minus 4. So I'm going to count 4 backwards because this is subtraction. From 30. So 29, 28, 27, 26. So true. Next up, we have 9 plus 9, which makes 18. And this, if you remember your doubles, is correct. 9 plus 9 does make 18. I could count 9 forward from 9, but I could also just remember my doubles. Next up, here we have 28 plus 41, and we need to actually do these. We need to solve these. So 28 plus 41. So here I'm going to say 8 plus 1 makes 9. And then 2 and 4 makes 6. And 4 and 5 makes 9. 5 and 1 makes 6. 3 and 2 makes 5. 4 and 2 makes 6. So here we get 69, here we get 69, here we get 65. So that's all the additions done. Next, let's do the subtractions. Here we have 67 minus 24. I'm going to say 7 minus 4 makes 3. And then 6 minus 2 makes 4. 43. Next up, we have 58 minus 38. We start off by saying 8 minus 8 makes 0. And then 5 minus 3 makes 2. So my result is 20. And there you go. That's the whole worksheet solved. Pause the video if you need to look at it to check your answers. Next up, let's go to Thursday's worksheet. Here we need to do the additions and subtractions. We're going to start with the additions. 16 plus 7, so I'm going to count 7 forward from 16. So 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So here my answer is 23. Next up, we have 25 plus 8. So I'm going to count 8 forward from 25. So 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. 33. Next up, we have 45 plus 9. So I'm going to count 9 forward from 45. So 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 54. Next up, we have 83 plus 6. So I'm going to count 6 forward from 83. So 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 89. Next up, we have the subtractions. 17 minus 6. So I'm going to count 6 back from 17. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. So 11 is my answer. Next up, we have 22 minus 8. So I'm going to count 8 back from 22. 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 14, 15, 14. You be careful when counting backwards, it's a little more confusing. Next up, we have 56 minus 9. So I'm going to count 9 backwards from 56. So 55, 54, 53, 52, 51, 50, 49, 48, 47. 47. Next up, we have 78 minus 7. So I'm going to count 7 back from 78. So 77, 76, 75, 74, 73, 72, 71. Next up, we have two problems, two word problems. Let's read the first one. The first one says, Tara had 47 red pens. She gave Jim 15 of her red pens. How many red pens does Tara have now? So, since you can see here that the girl is giving 15 pens away, since these pens are being given away, they're being taken from the total number of pens she has. So that's, she had 47, and then she gave 15 away. So since they're being taken away, that means I need to do subtraction. I need to do 47 minus 15, and I'm going to do that using the shape. (47 minus 15). 7 minus 5 makes 2. 4 minus 1 makes 3. So 32. Next up, next problem says, in my classroom there are 26 boys and 13 girls. How many children are there in my classroom? So that's boys and the girls together, which means I need to put these two together. So addition. So I'm going to need to do 26 plus 13. 26 plus 13. 6 and 3 makes 9. 2 and 1 makes 3. So my answer here is 39. And there's the entire worksheet finished as well. So pause the video if you need to look at the answers and make sure you got them correctly. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.